Hi everyone and welcome back. Now this video is basically a continuation from the last one. Now after I had washed Cam's hair out, I decided that I was going to give it a break from all the braids, twists, etc. And I was just going to basically do a wash and go, or attempt to do a wash and go with her hair and let her have it out for the week. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video very quickly. Now I had already detangled her hair, but as I was looking at the ends of her hair, they really looked like they needed a little trim. I didn't plan on doing it, but hey, in the moment I was like, okay, let me just trim off some of these ends that are, asking to be saved. So that's what I'm basically doing here first before we really get into applying any product. I decided to just go ahead and trim off those ends. So I'm reapplying some water to her hair, just spritzing it because it had started to dry out. And now I'm just grabbing my leave-in from As I Am, and I'm just going to apply that to her hair. Make sure I massage it, massage it in good, try to get all the strands coated and that kind of stuff. Just run my hand through, make sure that there are no clumps or what's not. I really get in those ends. Those ends really need a lot of love and care, and since her hair is going to be basically out for the week, I really need to make sure I get it as protected and moisturized as possible. So then I'm going to grab this jelly. It is from Curls, and I'm just going to apply that again all through her hair, massaging it in, making sure I get all the strands, separating it to make sure none of the strands are being missed. And then what I'm going to do is to do a kind of a shingling method, so to speak, separating the strands and just making sure that each one has been coated as good as possible. I'm just going to be applying those two products, the leave-in and the gel, so I really wanted to make sure that I got them as moisturized as possible so that her hair would be somewhat protected from the elements. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and take down another section. I'm doing this section by section just so that it's easy for me and so that I can concentrate on a set of hair at a time. So I'm just again running the detangling brush through her hair. Then I'm going to gather that section of hair and just trim off the ends, and then I'll proceed to spritz it and apply the leave-in to her hair. Again, I'll be doing the same steps, just making sure that I get it completely saturated with the product and make sure that it's rubbed in properly, spread the gel properly, and then go ahead, once I'm happy that I've applied enough, I'm just going to go ahead and run my fingers through it and then start to do the shingling method. Again, I'm just doing the same thing to this section of hair, making sure that I get the ends as well and try to go strand by strand. And I know it may look like it's a tedious job, but once you get started and the hair is already detangled and you had it prepped properly, then it's just going to be smooth sailing and you can be finished fairly quickly. As you can see, my Cammy is falling asleep, so you can see that it's very soothing, and I'm not in any way, as you know, she's tender-headed, I'm not in any way hurting her hair or pulling on her hair. So that is the first side completed, and she is happy thus far, which makes mommy happy as well. And even though I've applied two products, her hair isn't weighed down, it's still very light and bouncy. And we have moved on now to the other side at the back, and I'm going to do the same thing, the same very thing, trim those ends because they really needed to go. So as you can see, her hair started to dry. That's one thing about her hair, it dries very quickly. So I just reapplied again some water, leave-in, gel, and I'm going to do the same steps until we get to the end of her hair. So I'll let you guys enjoy this bit and then I'll be back when we're almost finished. I have completed all of her hair, and I'm just now applying some edge control or edge gel just around her edges. I'm not going to be like brushing them and curving them and all that jazz. I'm just applying this, you know, just to make the edges look a bit neater, and that's it. That's just the purpose of me doing that. Nothing special. And as you can see, my Cami is very happy. She's very happy that she's gonna have her hair out. Sometimes it's good to do stuff differently, just let her have it out and be free for the week and feel the wind blowing through her hair. And yeah, she is happy, and that is basically the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we will be back again very soon. Bye.